M50 shooting at below 3000 psi or 200 bars. Gonna silicon the fletcher and I'm gonna shoot it at the target way down there. 33 yards. Okay, silicon. Not much. Put it in the barrel, twist it clockwise. This is an O-ring that will center out the arrow. I'm gonna shoot with open sight. No red dot. Cold witness. See that down there? This rubber, horse store rubber mat. It's 4 layers and plus a bucket full of rubber mulch behind it. Alright, let me set up my tripod and we're gonna test it. Okay, this testing for unsuppressed, so give you an idea how loud it is and how much penetration at 33 yards with under 300 psi or 200 bar pressure. Open sight. Okay, let's go check it out. Of course, the dogs are locked up. Nobody got hurt. Look at that. That is a 29 inches arrow. See the O-ring that pushed back? The center O-ring? And look at all this. See that? See it? That's solid rubber mulch in there. 4 layers. And I forgot to silicon. The shaft is going to be a bitch to pull back out. Oh my God. Back up, Mickey. Ooh. Not very good target for arrow. Can't even pull it back out. See how much resistance it is? Becky, back! Still straight. Okay, on a side note, people are expressing interest to buy these 3D printed notch. The thing is, I have to test them in different material. Put them in a freezer, see it will hold up under high pressure. In nylon, in ABS, in any kind of stuff that will hold up. And you just can't buy these and put it on any kind of arrow because look, this shaft is 7.5. This one is 6.7. So they're all different sizes. So you gotta custom these to fit the shaft that you want for your arrow gun. And besides, I would never sell these things if I don't test them. I rather give them away. And on top of that, we have 3 business I'm not going to make my hobby into a career. It's just not what I do. I have plenty of stuff to do already. I'm just doing this to give you an idea it can be done. And it's not hard. Once I got everything figured out, I will post the spec. But I'm not going to post any spec in any concrete stuff until it's been proven in tests. And I learned a lot from making them. So once I'm done making them and they're good to go, then I will let you know. As always, thanks for watching.